Hello friends, good evening. I am Shubhangi Sanjay Burde from Buldana. Today's date is 5th January 2021 and today's video topic is garbage collection in Java. So what is the garbage collection? Garbage collection in Java is the process by which Java programs performs automatic memory management. In Java, garbage means unreferenced objects. So, the garbage collection is the process of reclaiming the runtime unused memory automatically. In other words, it is a way to destroy the unused objects. To do so, we were using the free functions in C language and delete in C++. But in Java, it is performed automatically, so Java provides the better memory management. Advantages of garbage collection. First is it means Java memory efficient. It makes Java memory efficient. So, because of garbage collection removes the unreferenced objects from heap memory. Second point is it is automatically done by the garbage collector, a part of JVM. So we don't need to make the extra efforts. The third point is garbage collection is performed by the demand of threads called garbage collector. These threads calls the finalize methods for objects is garbage collected. Next point is in C++, a programmer is responsible for the both the creations and destruction of objects usually. Now, a programmer objects the destruction of unless objects due to this negligence at the creation point. Sufficient memory may not be available to create the new objects. So let's see the how does work the garbage collection in Java. So Java garbage collection is an automatic process. Automatic garbage collection is the process of looking at heap memory, identifying which objects are in use and which are not, and deleting the unused objects. So, and in use objects or reference object means that some part of your program still maintains pointer to that objects. Means that an unused or unreferenced object is no longer referenced by any part of your program. So the memory used by unreferenced objects can be reclaimed your program. So the programmer does not need to mark object to be deleted explicitly. The garbage collection implementation live in the JVM. So let's see types of activities in the garbage collection. So the first one is a minor incremental garbage collection. It is said to have occurred when unreachable objects in the young generation heap memory are removed. Second point is major or full garbage collection. So let's see. It is said to have occurred when the object that survived the minor garbage collection and the copied into the old garbage collection, old generations or permanent generations. Heap memory are removed. When compared to the young generation, garbage collection happens less frequently in the old generation. Now let's see some important concepts of related to the garbage collection in Java. So, unreachable objects. So, what is the unreachable objects? An object is said to be the unreachable if it is doesn't contain any reference to it. Also note that objects which are part of the island of isolation are also unreachables. So that's all about garbage collection. Thank you.